Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Suvit, an AI-powered accounting automation tool that is built specifically for accountants, tax professionals, and bookkeeping firms. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know from what Suvit actually is, its main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally, an honest conclusion on whether it truly deserves to be called one of the best accounting automation tools in 2025. Let's get started. Suvit is not your typical accounting software. It's designed as a practice automation platform that helps accountants and CAs eliminate the repetitive, time-consuming parts of their work. Think of it as a digital assistant for your firm that automates manual data entry, client document collection, GST reconciliation, and bookkeeping tasks. Instead of replacing accounting tools like Tally or Vyapar, Suvit actually works alongside them. It integrates directly into your existing workflow, automates data handling, and syncs everything neatly. That's a big deal because for many accounting firms, switching systems completely can be overwhelming. Suvit removes that friction. The platform is particularly tailored for professionals working with the Indian accounting and tax system, so it focuses heavily on GST filing, client follow-ups via WhatsApp, and automated ledger reconciliation. Essentially, Suvit helps you move away from manual spreadsheets, endless phone calls with clients, and constant data re-entry, allowing you to spend more time reviewing financial insights and less time doing repetitive work. It's all about scaling your accounting practice without needing to dramatically increase your team size. What are the main features of Suvit? Automated client document collection. Suvit automatically reaches out to clients via WhatsApp or email to request and collect necessary documents. No more manual chasing or waiting days for responses. It ensures your workflow stays consistent and your deadlines aren't missed. AI-powered data entry. This is where Suvit really shines. It uses AI to extract and process data from invoices, receipts, and even scanned documents, and then automatically transfers that data into your accounting software such as Tally or Vyapar. It drastically cuts down on human error and saves hours of manual typing. Tally and Vyapar integration. Rather than replacing your accounting software, Suvit syncs directly with Tally and Vyapar. You can see here in the automation description, Tally is shown, bank statements, Tally vouchers, and down below here you can find Vyapar as well. So this means that your ledgers, your journals, and many reconciliations stay up to date without you needing to manually import or export data. GST reconciliation and filing supports. For professionals working with GST, Suvit's reconciliation tools are a lifesaver. It helps you match invoices, spot mismatches, and streamline the entire GST filing process from start to finish. Practice management tools. Beyond automation, Suvit includes task management, client tracking, and performance analytics, letting you monitor who's doing what clients are pending, and how much work is completed in real time. White labeling and embedded accounting. For firms that want to present a professional, branded experience to their clients, Suvit allows white label customization, meaning you can embed or rebrand parts of the platform as your own. Now, what is the pricing of Suvit like? For chartered accountants, you get 50% off, and the unlimited plan costs 10,000 rupees per year. You can get a 7-day free trial, and you're free to cancel within the free trial period. For an accountant or an advocate, you get 40% off, and that's 12,000 rupees per year. It also has a 7-day free trial, and the plan is unlimited. Now, what are the pros and cons of using Suvit? First, the pros. Purpose-built for accountants. Suvit is not a generic bookkeeping software. It's tailor-made for chartered accountant firms and tax professionals. Automation depths. Its ability to collect, process, and post data automatically saves enormous time and reduces human error. Seamless Tally and Vyapar integration. It is perfect for Indian firms that already rely on these tools daily. Client communication. Its built-in WhatsApp automation keeps the clients engaged and deadlines on track. How about the cons? It's an Indian-focused ecosystem. While excellent for Indian tax and accounting standards, it may not suit firms handling international clients. Limited third-party integrations. Although it connects with Tally and Viapar well, integration with global tools like QuickBooks or Xero are still limited. So, is Suvit really the best accounting automation platform in 2025? In short, Suvit's strength lies in its focus. It knows exactly who it's built for and it delivers on that promise with precision. It is best for the Indian ecosystem. It may not be ideal for international firms or those looking for multi-country tax compliance. But if your operations are primarily within India and you rely heavily on Tally or Vyapar, then it's one of the best upgrades that you can make this year. Genuinely one of the best. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Zoho Books, QuickBooks, and Tally Prime with automation add-ons. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.